Are you wondering how to use serial number in SQL POS system? First, make sure you have turned on the serial number module in SQL POS system. In SQL Accounting Software, make sure you have turned on serial number module as well. There are ways for you to scan in the serial number into SQL POS system. One of these, you can scan in the serial number when you are keying the item in your purchases. In SQL POS system, when you type in or scan in the serial number, the item will be selected. The second you would be, you search for your item, and click enter, and the serial number box will prompt out. Then, you can click on add serial number button to choose on exciting serial number, and the I selected. Or else, you can search for your item. Then, you can put in the serial number by typing or scanning on the serial number. And the I selected.